Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Today's video is very special because 15th of August is celebrated as one of the most important national holidays in Korea. Because the 15th of August 1945, it holds a historic significance in Korea. So let's see what happened in Korea on this date. Now, on August 15, 1945, a very historical event unfolded. On this day, Japan surrendered to the Allied forces in the Second World War, and this marked the end of World War II. Now, this also resulted in the liberation of Korea from 35 years of Japanese colonial rule. So, on 15th August 1945, the Korean peninsula got freed from the Japanese occupation, and therefore it became a very important, a very significant day for Korean people. Now, this day is called the National Liberation Day of Korea, and sometimes you will hear people calling it Korean Independence Day. Now let's see the Korean name of this day. South Korea में इस डे को कहते हैं Kwangpokcheol. Kwangpokcheol. This word is made up of 3 syllables. Kwang means light, Pok means restoration, and Cheol means holiday. So basically इस पूरे word का English में क्या meaning है? The day the light returned, or restoration of light day, you can say that. तो ऐसा क्यों कोरियन कहते हैं that the day the light returned? Because during the Japanese colonial rule, Korean people suffered a lot. So when on 15th August 1945 they finally got their liberation from the Japanese rule, that day they considered that the light in their lives returned. So basically, Kwangpokcheol means the day the light returned. Now the word Kwangpokcheol, it uses the term restoration, means Pok, instead of independence. Independence को कोरियन में कहते हैं Pongnip. So why Korean people use the term Pok, meaning restoration, instead of Pongnip, meaning independence? Because Korean people, they believe in their history, their culture a lot. They are very proud of their history. So they believe that as Korea enjoyed centuries of autonomy before the period of Japanese dominance, so it was not an independence. We were already independent. We just got liberated. We restored our independence once again after getting rid of the Japanese colonial rule. वो खुद को already independent मानते थे because they believed कि हमारा culture बहुत पुराना है and they were very proud of their Korean culture. तो इसलिए उन्होंने independence word की जगह restoration word choose किया. Okay? Now this day is very important for Korean people as it commemorates the conclusion of a challenging period in Korean history, marked by the Japanese occupation that cast a shadow over the entire Korean peninsula. In South Korea, many activities and events they take place on this holiday. A lot of people hang the Korean flag outside their homes. So August 15 is very important for them, and it is celebrated as one of the most important national holidays in South Korea. So I hope आपको ये वीडियो इंटरेस्टिंग लगा होगा और समझ आया होगा कि क्यों 15th of August is considered as a very important day in the lives of Korean people. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.